Morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well. So students, today we are going to start our next chapter. You can see on the screen, this is our chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Ellie Gets Lost. So we will write first of all here part 1, okay, because part 2 is a poem. So we will mention here part 1. So this is our story. The story is a small baby elephant, and the baby elephant lives with her mother in the green forest. And one day she tells her mother, we will read, one day she tells her mother, I want to go out in the forest. And she went without telling her mother where she went. She went without telling her mother in the forest. And when she went over there, she met animal over there. Which animal? Tiger, peacock, and deer. Okay. So she met these animals. What they those animals what they asked from her and what she asked from them, we will read in this story. When she went inside the forest, how she lost in the forest. So that's why the name of the chapter is Ellie Gets Lost. Okay, so write down date and the great task on the top. Firstly, we will read the spellings. Forest, forest, stripes, stripes, horns, horns, crown, crown, scared, scared, remember, remember, and promise, promise. Okay, these are the words. We will learn it. We will do these words in the difficult words. So let's start with the chapter. A long time ago, many animals lived in the green forest. So many animals were living in that green forest. Ellie was a baby elephant. She was a baby elephant and she lived in the forest. She wanted to go out of the forest. She wanted to go out from the forest. One day she started walking without telling her mother. Without telling her mother, she started walking from there. She walked and walked and walked. Ellie met Sheru. When she walked over there, she met to whom she met? She met Sheru. Sheru was a tiger. I am a tiger. No, she met Sheru. Who are you? Asked Ellie. Ellie asked from him, who are you? Then he said, I am a tiger. Who said? Sheru said, I am a tiger. Replied means answer. He said, I am a tiger. Then what Ellie asked from him? Am I a tiger? Asked Ellie. Ellie asked, am I a tiger? If you are a tiger, I'm also a tiger. He said, no, you don't have sharp teeth. You don't have stripes on your body, said Sheru. Sheru said, no, you don't have sharp teeth like I am having. You don't have stripes on your body like I am having. So you are not a tiger. Then she went from there and she moved. She on and on she walked. She met Frisky. Who are you? Asked Ellie. Ellie then she met Frisky. Frisky was a deer. She asked from him, who are you? I am a deer, replied Frisky. Then Frisky replied, I am a deer. Am I a deer? Asked Ellie. Then Ellie asked same question from him also. Am I a deer? No, you don't have horns on your head. You can see horns? You can't run as fast as I can, and you cannot run like I can run so fast, said Frisky. So he said, no, you are not a deer because you cannot run like I can run. Then she went from there, so off went Ellie. She met Sundar. Sundar was a peacock. Who are you? Asked Ellie. Then Ellie again asked the same question. Who are you? I am a peacock, replied Sundar. Sundar replied, I am a peacock. Am I a peacock? Asked Ellie. Then again Ellie asked the same question from him. Am I also a peacock? No, you don't have colorful feathers. You don't have crown on your head, said Sundar. Sundar said, no, you don't have colorful feathers and you don't have crown on your heads. So you are not a peacock. Ellie felt scared. She could not remember her way. She felt scared because she went so far from there, from her home. Then she felt scared. She could not remember from where she has come. She forgot the way also from where she has to go back home. Just then she heard a sound, and suddenly she heard a sound. Whose sound? She turned around and saw mother. When she turned around, what she saw? She saw that her mother is there. Ellie was happy to see mother and ran to her. She was very happy when she saw her mother and she ran to her. Where were you? Asked mother. Mother asked, where were you? I went walking in the forest, said Ellie. Ellie said, I went walking in the forest. I met many animals. No one was like me. Ellie told mother about the animals she met. Which animal she met in the forest, she tells her mother. Okay. Mother laughed and said, Ellie, you are an elephant. No other animal is like you. Now, promise me that you will never go anywhere without telling me. Without telling me, you will not go anywhere. Then what Ellie said? Ellie said, Mother, I promise I will not. Means I will not go anywhere without telling you. So this is the story of Ellie, how she lost inside the jungle, inside the forest, and by luck suddenly she saw her mother and her mother find her and she went to her mother. Okay, but she promised that I will not go anywhere without telling you. So what we have learned from this chapter, that we should not go anywhere without telling our parents. We should inform them if we are going to our friend or our neighbors. Okay, so we will do back exercise also beta along with the story. So first question is, who sat to whom? We have read the story. Who sat to whom? Am I a tiger? Who sat? Who asked this question? Because question mark is there. Ellie asked to Sheru. Okay. Next. You can't run as fast I can. Who said? Deer said to Ellie. Third number. No, you don't have colorful feathers. Who are having colorful feathers? Peacock. So Peacock said, no, you don't have colorful feathers like me, so you are not a peacock. Number 4. Where were you? Mother said to Ellie. Next question, matches. We have to match the parts of the body with the animals. Fish, fins. Okay. Elephant is having trunk. This is trunk. Bird are having beak. Okay, with beak. Tortoise is having a shell, shell shell. Cat are having whiskers. What are whiskers? Whiskers are, these are whiskers, you can see. These are the whiskers. These are whiskers. Okay. So next, camel. Camel is having a hump on his you must have seen camel. Camel is having a hump on his back like this. Okay. Next page. Next question is, read the names of the animals in the box. In this box, you can see animals' name are given to you. You have to read one line about those animals. If you were a sparrow, you would have a sparrow. What you will do? If I were a sparrow, I would fly in the sky. You know, I will go anywhere I want to go, wherever I want to go. I will fly and I will go over there. No. Next, peacock. If I were a peacock, I would dance in the rain. Horse. If I were a horse, I would run through the fields. Cat. If I were a cat, I would drink milk. Duck. If I were a duck, I would swim in the lake. Like duck is swimming, I will also swim in the lake. So this is the back exercise. Next question is the homework. Here words are given to you. Parts of the peacock. You have to label the parts of the peacock and you have to color the picture. Okay. So this is our chapter 2 part 1. Okay. So I hope the story is clear to all of you. So this is all for today. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.